morning. Hi. I'm looking very shiny. I just put oil and stuff on my face. I have to keep my hair back. I'm not. I actually have like normal skin. We are this morning making rustic apple cinnamon rolls that work on AIP, so I'm very excited about that because I have a love for cinnamon rolls. And then we're gonna go run a few errands later. I think we're gonna go to Target as always. A couple places I kind of want to run into Sephora. You talked about a couple places, so we're gonna do that. So we're just gonna take you along with us. Woohoo! Almost ready. This is coconut butter instead of like frosting. Yeah, I found it at Whole Foods. It's like vanilla cake batter. Wait, focus. There we go. That. Mm-hmm. Okay, Ash, we need to get the first bite. Ready? Still a little doughy. I probably could have baked longer, but they're really good.
We were impatient.
Mm-hmm. They're really good. Right, we're on our way to Target. You excited?
Yes, sorry. I'm Instagram storying.
Oh gosh. It's like 50 something degrees outside, which is nice compared to like what it has been. But it looks like I'm colder. My nose is red, but I'm not cold. I don't know, she's too cool for me in her sunglasses.
Yeah.
You were in like a Shelbs outfit today.
I really am. We had to switch places because you're wearing,
I'm wearing her
totally
coat.
an Ashley
Yeah,
outfit.
this is an Ashley outfit. And she's dressed like me. Who would have thunk it? Alright, so we made it to Title Square. We took some Instagram pictures for you guys.
Yeah.
And now we're off to Target. This is the new Target in Herald Square.
I haven't been to this
She
one
hasn't
yet.
been either. I've been a few times. Because you know I can't resist Target. But
It's not that new. It opened in like October, but I mean,
yeah.
So I'm excited. I love a Target. More like a Sephora, like department store feel than Target. It's really cool. Well, it's a bit of a bummer. A couple things that we purposely came here for they don't have. Yeah, this is probably gonna be like the least amount I'm gonna spend at Target ever. What do you have? Not that much. Some medicine, some travel stuff for our trip next week. Oh, this tea. Look at this. Butterscotch Blondie black tea. I'm gonna have this when we get home and I'm so excited. I don't have that much either. I have apple chips. I'm gonna go find some apple chips and a towel and some body wash. That is it. Shelby just left me. So slightly disappointing, but it's still fun to come to Target. And Sephora. Because I mean just because. But I also need a moisturizer for the morning. You guys have heard us talk about this, like, so much. We love it. The True Serum. We have a moisturizer that is, like, pretty much the same thing. It's the same concept. I think I might get that. I usually use this. They changed their packaging. Yeah.
I don't like it. I used to use this. But I think I would just want, like, a change.
Oh my god, these are our favorite perfumes. So good. I love the Fireside one. I'm looking. Oh, they're so good.
This is like the best deep conditioning hair mask ever. You need it.
I got a sample of this one.
Which one is it?
Lazy Sunday Morning.
I think that's the one that I wanted. Can you smell it? Guys, look how cool this is. Okay, what's that? That's the Yum Yum one. I like that. This is so cool. It shows you what your lipstick would look like. Wait, pick like a weird one, like green. Those ones at the end? Yeah. Ooh, that's a good one on me. Yeah. It's fire sign. Yeah, okay, it's going to like what it thinks it should. This is not a good color on me. Right? It's all these like new Sephora lipsticks. I kind of want to get some because this is just super fun. I want to try. I bet Golden Gate would be pretty on you. Yeah, it's too pink. Which one's Golden Gate? Number 31. This one too. Yeah, I think that's what the one I want to see. Okay, I'm just filming this to remember. Wait, I want to see that on me. It's a little weird on me, right? I like it better on me. Okay, on Shelbs. It might be too dark. What do you think? I like the other one better. That's pretty on you. French date. Excellent. I like that. You do? I never go for pink. I never think pink works on me. It goes better on me, but that's pretty. Okay, that's we. Yeah, because it's different than what you usually do. And the packaging on these is really cute too. I want to find festive lights. It was a very long line, so I didn't get anything there, but I'll go to the one up by our apartment at some point. Order it online. Or that. It comes in 2 days. Those lipsticks were so fun. No, I liked playing with that thing. Yeah, I can't wait to order those and have some new lipsticks. Yeah. So now we're off home. I don't know what we're doing. We might film a couple videos. We need to take some pictures for Alex. Yeah. Or her Valentine's Day cards. We might show a peek of that. Yes, and I'm hungry. Yeah. Dinner's gonna be involved. Oh Lord. Real life. Waiting on the train to show up and eating snacks. These are really good and they're AIP compliant. Just apple chips with cinnamon. Way to get snacks at Target. I bought an Epic bar. Full disclosure. The one that I bought was not compliant, but I like needed something to eat. There's definitely worse things I could have eaten. It had some of the spices like in it that we're not supposed to have, and I think it had a little bit of added sugar. So, you know, like we said, this whole thing is not perfect. You can't do it perfect. You gotta eat. Yeah, you have to eat something. And so instead, like when we were shopping in there, like I wanted to buy some Oreos and like eat Oreos or eat an Epic bar that just has some spices in it I can't have, you know. So in the end, it's really not that bad, and I don't feel anything from it. A lot of times you can like feel stuff instantly if it's bothering you, and it doesn't. And we're 3 weeks into this, so we've had a lot of healing. Why are you looking at me like that?
I was thinking to myself that if the stream doesn't come soon, I'm gonna eat it and pull back.
So yeah, so you know, full disclosure, wasn't compliant, but what are you gonna do? You know, in every other aspect we're doing it right, and it's really not as terrible for me as it could have been. So yeah, may I have another one of those? Where's the train? Yay! Start dinner, and I realized that we didn't have a carrot that I need for the recipe, because I told Ashley she could eat it early in the week because I didn't think we needed it. So I'm off to the store around the corner really quick to pick up a carrot for dinner. Alright, so I'm back. We are making orange chicken poppers for dinner, so like little like popper thingies, I don't know what to say, like ground chicken.
Popper thingies, that's the technical.
It's like, I have a recipe, I'll link it in the description. It's basically ground turkey, onions, carrots, and like an orange sauce, so like orange chicken from like a Chinese place.
You said ground turkey. Is it ground turkey or
ground chicken? Ground chicken. And then we're gonna have cauliflower rice on the side. Forgot to tell you about the tea. It was really good. I liked it. The smell was definitely more than the taste, so it was nice to have that like butterscotch smell. But it still tasted good. It was like a sweeter black tea, which was nice. What are you doing? Emptying the dishwasher?
Yep. Very excited. Shelby just walks out of the bathroom and goes, whenever I do my eyeliner like this, I feel like a Wii character.
I do.
Like the Nintendo game. It's Nintendo, right?
I don't know.
The Wii, like the game system.
I don't think it's Nintendo. I think it's Wii.
I think it's Nintendo. What?
Anyway,
it doesn't matter.
this is my eyeliner. So like I have this little like flicky do. So
technical term for that is flicky do.
So oh hi Pop Pop.
I'm sorry. I don't think you've been in this video yet. Tell your people hi.
Anyway, so I'm gonna show you this picture. It has no hair for some reason, but this is the eyes that I put on my character when I made it years ago. Oh no. There we go. See those little things on the eyes? That's what it looks like on me. That's what I think of. Anyway. This is the final product. These are our leftovers for tomorrow. But we just have our little chicken poppers on top of cauliflower rice. So I don't think we said what was in these. But it's just ground chicken, carrot, onion, coconut flour. What else?
That's pretty much it, right?
Yeah, I think so. And then we just baked them. They got a little burnt.
Orange zest.
Yeah, oh yeah, orange zest. And then the sauce. Then we marinate them in. There we go. Yummy. Good morning. It is now Sunday. We still have a lot of stuff we have to get done today as well. We have 2 videos to film because we didn't film any yesterday. We need to go take more pictures for Instagram so we can get enough ready for that. And then I think Ashley has a lot of like admin-y stuff that she needs to get done and you need to start thinking about next weekend because we're going to Charleston. So excited. Groceries are being delivered today. We need to cook some stuff, so it's just one of those days again. So we're gonna film our videos first. I'm gonna get ready now. But I just wanted to say I put my contacts in today for the first time in like 4 months. If you guys have been following us for a while, you know, for some reason I haven't been able to keep my contact in my right eye. I don't really know why, and I haven't had time to go like figure it out because I have my glasses. I was like, it's not that big of a deal. I'll just wear my glasses, but I'm tired of just wearing them. This is actually my very last pair, so I do really need to go to the eye doctor and just get everything looked at. Right now it's okay, but it usually takes about an hour, and then my eye, I feel like, completely rejects it. So we'll see what happens, but now I need to do my makeup. So we're just getting set up to film our videos. Ashley's setting up. I haven't helped her yet.
She is not helping.
I was doing some other things.
Classic. This happens every time.
I do it every time. Don't listen to her. It does not happen. But look, we put up these balloons. Well, they're not our balloons. They're Alex's from a little photo shoot she did. And they're super cute up there. And she made this little tassel. Super cute.
Banner.
Way to go, Al. What?
It's a banner.
A tassel banner thing. Poppy Monroe is right here. I don't know why she's over here. She almost never lays on this cushion. I don't know what she's doing over here. She's just chilling, and now we're gonna film some videos. At Whole Foods, our favorite place. We just have to pick up a couple of things, so it shouldn't be too long. There's no carts, which means it's extremely busy. Or baskets, that's what we want. I'm hoping it's not here because sometimes there is, but it doesn't look like there is. Success. Oh no, this is it. Let me consult the list. Oh, kale. We need cauliflower rice, arrowroot starch, epic bars, kale, orange juice, sweet potato puree, and kombucha. Got the kale. Shelby left me though, so I gotta go find her. Found her. She's looking at these things, which will be in an upcoming video. Going through the epic bars, picking up that beef one we like. Shelby's looking for the sriracha chicken one that she got at Target yesterday.
I'm not supposed to have that one, but I wanted to get one.
But I don't think they have it. Okay, got our groceries. Freaking expensive groceries, and we have our actual groceries being delivered tonight. This was just leftover things, but we haven't been to like an actual store in a while, so we've been a little crazy because we've been ordering them online. Grocery shopping isn't that fun when you can't eat a lot of the stuff. Makes it not so fun to do. But yeah, the rest of our weekend, you said you're gonna take a bath, there's some work to do. The SAG Awards are on tonight. That's always fun. We love award shows. So we're gonna watch that and just get ready for the week. So hope you guys really enjoyed coming along on our weekend with us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video, and you can watch our latest video right there. See you guys soon. Bye.